Wibbly Pig, where are you? Wibbly Pig, is that you? Are you hiding? Wibbly Pig! Wibbly Pig, I can hear you. What's the matter, Wibbly? You've got a cold.
I have got a cold, and it's making me sneeze a lot. The thing is, Big Pig, Tiny Pig and Scruffy Pig are coming round for a game of hide and seek.
I love hide and seek.
But I can't play.
Why not?
I'll show you. You be it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Coming! Are you behind the sofa, Wibbly? Where are you? Are you behind the door? Well, where are you then? Look, the curtains are moving. But I don't think Wibbly's there. Hold on, somebody's sneezing.
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
I found you. You sneezed.
You see? That's why I can't play hide and seek. My sneezes will... My sneezes will...
Phew.
Achoo! My sneezes will give me away.
So, if we want to play hide and seek, we've got to stop your sneezes.
Yeah.
Why don't you hold your nose? That will stop the sneezes coming out.
Brilliant. I think this will work.
What was that?
I said I think this will work.
Sorry, Wibbly. What are you saying?
I was saying I think this will work, but... It won't if you can't understand me.
If you wiggle your ears before you sneeze, it helps it go away.
Does it?
I think so. Wiggle your ears. Any better?
Achoo! No, but at least I know I can wiggle my ears.
I know. Say a silly word.
A silly word?
Yeah, it might take your mind off sneezing.
Any silly word?
Yeah, any silly word.
A really silly word?
A really, really silly word.
Okay. Pineapple.
Louder.
Pineapple. Pineapple.
Oh, maybe pineapple isn't silly enough.
All right. Cobby, bobby, bibby, fabuloso. Achoo! Insicle, whimsical, inky, tinky, quinsicle. Achoo! Splod. Splod, splod, splod. Splod, 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 splod.
See? It worked.
It has! I like Splod, Splod likes me. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-lee. Achoo! I wish I could stop sneezing. Achoo! Please, please don't sneeze. Please, please don't sneeze. I'll cough and I'll hiccup. Make all sorts of sounds. But please, please don't sneeze. Achoo!
Please, please don't sneeze. Everyone agrees. The bees and the breeze and the bird and the
and mumble and moan. But please, please, please don't sneeze. Achoo! Oh dear, I hope I don't give my cold to anyone else. Wibbly Pig! Wibbly Pig! Wibbly Pig! Oh no, they're here. They mustn't hear me sneeze. Hi, Wibbly! Hello.
Are you all right?
I'm okay.
He's fine.
You've gone bright red. Have I? And you've got a squeaky voice.
Really?
Really? Achoo!
Have you got a cold?
You can't play hide and seek with a cold. You'll be sneezing all the time. We'll find you easy.
He's right. So we'll hide. You try and find us.
But I want to hide.
Wibbly, if you don't hide, your sneezes can't give you away.
Okay, you hide.
Wibbly, count to the biggest number you can think of.
Give us time to really hide. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Coming, ready or not.
Where are they? Achoo! What was that? Sounded like a sneeze.
Achoo! A scruffy sort of sneeze.
Achoo! 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 Scruffy Pig, we found you. You sneezed.
Yeah, a scruffy sort of sneeze.
Well done, Wibbly. Right, who can we find next? Achoo!
That's a sweet little sneeze. Let's look over there.
Achoo! I wonder who it is.
Achoo!
Ah,
Achoo!
found you, tiny pig.
Achoo!
I think I've got
Achoo!
a cold. We found Scruffy Pig and we found Tiny Pig, which means we've just got to find
Achoo!
Big Pig. Where are you, Big Pig? He's not there. He's not there. Where is he?
Achoo!
I think he's over here.
Achoo!
Found you. We found all of you.
We're really good at hide and seek.
I've got a cold. Achoo!
I've got a cold. Achoo! I've got a cold too.
Achoo!
Achoo!
Achoo! Achoo!
Oh dear!
They all caught my cold. Oh, my sneeze is gone.
I'm glad. Goodbye, Wibbly Pig.
Bye.